We're right now in Würzburg, in the beautiful city of Würzburg, with a picturesque castle overlooking the city, which is the Festung Marienberg. My name is Paul, 28 years old. I'm currently doing my 2-year period of legal training, last legal training before the second exam. I studied law at the University of Würzburg. A legal book? Yeah, okay, then it would be clearly the BGB, the Bürgerliches Gesetzbuch, because as I was saying, it's very much influenced by the Roman law. It's pretty typical German because it goes from the extract to the specific. You have an abstract part which writes the general principles which apply to all other areas of civil law practically. It's a lot of regulations, which is also something probably typical for German law, having a lot of regulations for various of different things, and probably trying to cover every case with abstract regulations. And the BGB has over 2,200 regulations, I guess, something like that. So yeah, this would be in a way typical. Okay, that's also a tough one. But one part that I find funny about the BGB is something from the third book, which regulates property and everything about that. And one thing where you can see how specific German law could be is this regulation. It's something 900 something, I don't know, and it says it gives a person the right to follow its bees, the bees that have fled from their home, and it gives the person who owns these bees the right to walk on other property and try to catch those bees again. So we even have a regulation for this case. Okay, probably classical music, because there is some strict set of rules in the background, something like that. And there probably, well, first thing that came to mind is Beethoven, probably some Bach, Wagner, something like that, probably. Tool or piece of machinery. Okay, how do you call these Swiss Army knives?
Yeah.
Something like that? Okay, I would say a Swiss Army knife.
Why is German law?
Well, there are so many tools in there. There's so many tools in this one particular thing. You can use them for so many things. It has almost a solution for every problem, one could say. Something like that, maybe. Mode of transportation, I would say a train. Train, probably not a bus. Definitely not an airplane, but probably a train, because again, in the background there's a train schedule. There are some rules in there, some things you have to adhere to, and yeah, probably a train.
Why not a bus?
A bus seems to me too ordinary in a way, too slow in a way, and yeah, too ordinary. Wouldn't be a great comparison. Probably yes, but I would say on a second look, not on the first look.
Why?
Because yeah, on the second look, maybe because okay, not on the first look, because, well, one could say it's very bureaucratic. It has a lot of regulations, maybe too many regulations, and this is not a very beautiful or slim system of law, probably. But on the second look, yes, because as I was saying, maybe it solves a lot of things in a very rational way, and it solves a lot of problems.